Hi everybody. Sugar sector is on rise and the main reason behind that is ethanol blending bill. Is it worth it? Let's check it out.
Look at India's dependency on crude oil. Indian government has made some ground-shaking changes. That is ethanol blending policy. To understand this better, let's understand what is ethanol first. Ethanol in simple words is nothing but alcohol produced from sugarcane and other crops. Now ethanol, because of its flammable nature, can be used as fuel and is commonly known as biofuel. Now coming back to cutting India's dependency from oil it imports from other countries, India saw a unique solution in which ethanol will be mixed with petrol. This is not a new practice. India has been mixing homemade biofuel with petrol, however in less quantity. According to the data in 2013 and 14, this percentage was just 1.53%. Now, with this ethanol blending policy, Indian government is planning to increase this mixing to 10% by 2022 and 20% by 2025, which will reduce oil import and reduce the bill by $4 billion annually. With this new policy, sugar mill industries are benefiting immensely. There was a time when sugar production used to get so much that supply used to surpass demand, and the price of sugar always used to remain undervalued and industry used to underperform. With this new bill, ethanol production will increase, in return sugarcane production will increase, and it will benefit farmers, sugarcane industries, government and sugar stocks. Yes, we are talking about Renuka sugar. This is one sector and one stock which has been in news for quite some time now. Likewise, we understood the fundamental of Renuka sugar and the industry it is associated with. Let's understand the technical part also. Monthly time frame, Renuka sugar. It has already made a high of 124, but this was in 2010. Right now, the stock has tested their important support and it is on a reversal right now. If you see a daily time frame, double bottom pattern is in the making, and it says basically the support will be tested 2 times, and if it is successful on the second time, the reversal will come and the stock will go up. And I believe this is the same thing happening. The stock is fundamentally strong, the pattern is there. Guys, you have to understand one thing: we are in stock market. Even with strong fundamental stocks, the price of a stock might go down and go up and go down. So when it is going down, don't feel this is not worthy anymore and then you leave the stock, and that is when the boom starts. Yeah. And second thing, from past few videos I have been making positional videos, positional trades, because these few stocks are on the verge of becoming big. So I thought of focusing on positional trades more and less of intraday. We will cover after this positional series is over. Yeah, I really hope you like this video. If you like, please like and subscribe, guys. It takes a lot of time for to edit these videos. Yeah, thank you so much.